What's going on, everybody? So we just finished up a 4-box quarter case break of 2019 Donruss that was from eBay, and I wanted to do a quick recap so everybody could see what the major hits were. So Donruss has a lot of number cards, so we'll go through a few of the number cards. So Rhys Hoskins out of 99, Fultonavich out of 42, Jackie Robinson parallel border, Tanner Burns, American Pride out of 25, Chris Bryant, Father's Day parallel out of 49, Francisco Mejia parallel out of 99, Acuna Jr. Alt name short print out of 293. It's a season highlights. Anthony Rizzo Father's Day out of 49, Miguel Sano pink parallel Mother's Day out of 25, and Max Scherzer Jackie Robinson border parallel out of 42. The major hits had a couple of boxes that had more than 3 hits. So we had a Didi Gregorius Diamondbacks relic, a Jake Bauers Tampa Bay Signature Series auto, Austin Hayes Baltimore Majestic Materials relic, Shohei Ohtani LA Angels relic, Gleyber Torres relic, Francisco Morales Philadelphia Phillies rated prospect relic, Chance Adams Yankees Signature Series auto, Chris Davis Majestic Materials Oakland relic, Trevor Story Majestic Materials relic, Ryan O'Hearn Kansas City Royals 6 out of 10 Signature Series auto, Luis Robert Chicago White Sox relic, it might be Robert, not quite sure, Juan Soto Washington Nationals Majestic Materials relic, nice card, Miguel Cabrera Marlins relic throwback, another Austin Hayes Baltimore Majestic Materials relic, Garrett Hampson Rockies Signature Series auto, and a Marcelo Zuna throwback Marlins relic. So thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you like and subscribe the video, and as always, check out the breaks we have going right now on the eBay store. Thanks.